Ensure your J7300 printer delivers vibrant and durable full color every time you print. This video will cover proper ink cartridge use and maintenance, as well as steps to troubleshoot printing issues. For best results, always leave your printer plugged in. The printer performs ink cartridge maintenance in the background to ensure performance. Store unopened ink cartridges in their original box, standing upright. When installing new ink cartridges, make sure they're inserted into the correct slots. Always match the number on the top of the cartridge to the number on the slot. Slide the cartridge in the top channel all the way and push the cover down until it clicks. The printer screen will prompt you to run the alignment tool. Select Yes, which will bring you to the maintenance menu of the printer settings. Tap Run, an alignment label will print. If it looks like this, you're good to go. If it doesn't, keep watching. When you run into issues with print quality, here are steps you can take to get back on track. First, check your ink levels are sufficient and confirm you're using your desired print mode. For example, printing in draft mode will produce lighter blacks and less vibrant color. Next, run the Align tool and check the resulting label. The one on the right shows properly aligned ink cartridges. If you receive other results or an error message, move on to the next step. From the maintenance menu, run the Print Test Label tool. The resulting test label shows the performance of each colored channel. If you do not receive the results on the right, return to the maintenance menu and run the Clean Ink Cartridges tool. Then run the Print Test Label tool once more and check the results. If the issues continue, you will need to perform a physical cleaning of the ink cartridge print heads. To do this, you will need 2 paper towels and a glass of water. Fold the paper towels down to a small square. Soak both towels in the water for 5 seconds. Don't squeeze out the excess water. Remove the ink cartridge from the printer and place one of the paper towels on the print head. Press down and leave for 30 seconds. Remove the paper towel from the print head. With the second paper towel on a hard surface, firmly press the print head onto the towel and drag. A clean CMY cartridge will show 3 distinct colors. A clean black cartridge will show a solid black line. If you do not see these results, repeat the previous steps. When you reach a good result, blot excess water from the print head and cartridge until it is completely dry. Reinstall it to the printer and run the Align tool to confirm proper function. If cleaning did not resolve the issue, try tapping the cartridge. On a hard surface, flatten a lint-free wipe or paper towel. With your wrist on the surface, hold the cartridge up about 1 inch. Gently tap the cartridge 5 times. Make sure not to tap with too much force, as this could damage the cartridge. Continue to tap in increments of 5 until all 3 ink colors are visible on the wipe. After tapping, reinstall the cartridge into the printer and run the Align tool. If quality issues still persist, reach out to Brady customer support for assistance.